Our next question today is, what is the importance of firm culture in law firm sales? I can say, having done this now for over 10 years, that firm culture often is a make or break. It is that significant when it comes to whether law firm sales happen or not. What we're showing here is the synergy value that senior attorneys and growing law firms present to each other. Okay, that is, they're coming together potentially and thinking, wow, we have these synergy values between us. Senior attorney brings instant client growth. If we combined our workforces, wow, would that be amazing? We can bring together cumulative expertise in the practice areas that we share and that we can grow together. And then there's marketing value if we come together, where we can market, that is, two is better than the one and one separate. Let's look, though, at what we call the 6 meetings needed to sell a law practice. Okay. And there really are. This has been our experience. It takes 6 meetings to go from the first meet and greet to signing the agreement. When it comes to the significance of firm culture, we really recommend that in those first 2 meetings, the meet and greet and during the due diligence phase, that both sides really think to themselves, can we work with each other? On paper, our firms may look perfect. Okay. But here, let's go to an analogy. Let's try to go in the Wayback Machine for a moment. Okay. We all were in junior high once. We were all in high school once. And we all dated that fill in the blank. Okay. That person that we thought was great, but our mother, our brother, our best friend, even our, not such best friends would tell us that this person is just not right for you. But they call it puppy love for a reason. And we see the same thing in law firm sales, literally, that a puppy love phase can happen because both sides they want to see that this can work. And often if those cultures don't work, it won't work post-sale. And we have had some deals that didn't work. And the reason why they didn't work was because ultimately when we punted on firm culture and we poo-pooed that there were significant cultural differences, they came back and parties weren't able to mend the differences that really we could have seen and should have seen and spent more time on during meetings 1 and 2. That meet and greet, when you first go out for drinks, you go out to dinner and you leave and you go home to your significant other, let's say, and say, you know what, it was a good meeting, but please consider that. But because if you can't work well together, the sale ultimately may not work.